All right, you know what time it is? It is my favorite part of the morning, starting us off with Wyatt Dooley, 2 years old from Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
All right, Austin Blackledge celebrating birthday number 9 in Joplin.
All right, happy 11 from Fort Scott, Kansas, Cade Hickson. Happy birthday.
All right, Gina Seaver is celebrating birthday number 12 this year out in Nevada.
And Sweet 16 for Noah Sparks. Happy birthday from Baxter Springs, Kansas.
All right, Mom and Dad are giving out a birthday shout out to Callie Powell, who is now 17 years old. Callie is in Girard. Kaylee, I'm sorry.
Well, it's your day, Carrie Lance. Happy 36th birthday from Pittsburgh, Kansas.
Happy birthday, Carrie. And Tammy Dietz is 45 this year. Tammy is in Weir.
Now keeping it in the Dietz family, happy birthday, Matt Dietz. You'll be 47. That's Tammy's husband. His birthday is on Sunday.
All right, it's a party weekend for the Dietzes. Rhonda Herrenbrook are celebrating a birthday in Columbus.
Happy birthday, Regina Dooling from Crestline, Kansas. Sisters born on the same day, several years apart.
All right, that'd be Rhonda and Regina. That's pretty cool. All right, Mary Hayward is 53 this year in Altamont, Kansas. Happy birthday, Uma, from all the grandkids.
Oh, happy birthday. And happy birthday, Jerry Jones from Nevada, Missouri. Happy birthday from your mom and daughter.
And it's a first wedding anniversary for the Brewers. Congrats going out to Jeremiah and Jennifer.
And 61st anniversary to Paul and Marilyn Westervelt, excuse me. Happy anniversary, you two.
All right, Melissa York in Crestline. Happy birthday from the Crestline girls.
Happy birthday, Amanda Burr from Lamar, Missouri. I'm just excited for these birthdays. Happy birthday.
And in Baxter Springs, Becky Bunce is celebrating a year wiser. Hope it's a great one.
Happy birthday, Herb Headley, 65 from Uniontown, Kansas. Have a happy birthday. And you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club as well. Just submit your birthday to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. It is a fun time out here on the KOAM Morning News.
And you can go to our website and register for the KOAM Birthday Club and be eligible for lots of really cool deals and from local businesses, lots of coupons, fun things there. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club.